Good morning, and it's a pleasure to be here on the day 2 of India Live 2019 at Mumbai. And I have the privilege of interacting with two renowned cardiologists from, I can say, around the world, because to my extreme left here first, there is Dr. Alexander Abizaid, who comes all the way from Brazil, from the beautiful city of Sao Paulo, and he has a lot of work on the tower and on BRS. And then to my immediate left, I have the pleasure to be with Dr. Luca Testa from Milano, Italy, and he has also worked in the field of multi-vessel stenting and in tower and in BRS. And we start off without any delay, and I can start by asking Luca about your experience with different kinds of stents, and what do you think is the future? Do we need some dedicated stents for various strategies?
Well, first of all, thanks for your introduction, and it is my pleasure to be here and discuss with you about these topics today. And actually, it's also a pleasure to visit this beautiful country of yours.
Thank you.
Well, I would say we are living in the, I would say, maybe third or fourth generation iteration of DES, and I have to say that one of the major limitations still present in our daily cath lab practice is the issue of diabetes.
Yes.
I mean, of course, you know that the prevalence and the incidence of the disease is different according to different countries. Nevertheless, in every single situation, the good results of available DES are not reproducible in the diabetic patients and populations. So what we really need today is to try to address this challenge, maybe with different devices, with different technologies. And I have to say, according to my practice, the possibility of using the Abluminus DES Plus is one of our possible future in terms of addressing this issue. Of course, this has been introduced in a huge clinical pipeline, so we need to wait for results, but at least the premises are very encouraging.
Right. So in our country, we typically see a lot of diabetes, and we also see the people have more diffuse disease. The coronaries are diffusely diseased, and the coronaries tend to be a little smaller than the non-diabetic, or also compared to the Western population. So, Alex, do you have some idea what kind of a stent would be suitable for this kind of? Do you think thin struts or something difficult?
No, I think one option is certainly what Luca described. I think the fact that you have a special coating, for instance, with the Abluminus stent, that is not only on the struts but the whole segment, including the balloon, can be a good solution for diabetic and diffuse disease.